Right, this is an abbreviated version of a PGI-72 refill guide. I'm going to skip through it very, very quickly and just touch on the very salient points. First things first, cartridge, if you're filling for the first time, needs to be completely devoid of air. So if that needs to happen, fit yourself with one of the force fill clips, whatever, use a syringe and then just draw everything out like that. Most cartridges will be like that, unless they have a leak, so bear that in mind. Right, next thing to do is to make sure you've got the right cartridge. We've got 72 grey, so I've got our OC 72 grey compatible ink. I've already shaken this, so that's already done. Put your squeezy fill cap on, like so. Find your clip that you used earlier. Give this a quick clean. Yep. Right. Attach it to your cartridge. Screw on. Right. If this is the first time you've used this clip, always a good idea to just gently squeeze, check for any leaks around that joint there. If there's none, keep going. And just basically gently squeeze on the bottle, as I'm doing here. You see the plate is now moving forward. Eventually that cartridge will be full. That's a good indicator that it's full, or as near as damn it. Release the bottle, detach and remove your clip. You then want to take a needle, plug it in place of the clip, take the scabbard off, or the cover, and then just dribble fill until your cartridge is full. Now, full weight is usually around about the 32-33 gram mark. The other thing to bear in mind is make sure you have reset your cartridge before you refill. That way, when you squeeze the cartridge accidentally, you're less likely to get tons of ink out. And as you can see, 32-33 grams, and that is pretty much full. I'm just going to turn it over, give it a gentle squeeze. As you can see, just even a gentle squeeze puts quite a lot of ink out, so just dab it off. And it's ready to go back in the printer. Put your scabbard back on your bottle needle, locate the clip that you've just used. Now go and wash this out straight away. The reason for that is the pigment ink will adhere and actually set on the silicone and in the various fittings, so you don't really want that. You want to go and give it a wash now. Once you've washed it, just use a cotton bud or a Q-tip to just gently scrub any remaining pigment ink out of the silicone fitting, like that, and into the lure fitting there that the syringe or the squeezy fill cap goes into. Off you go. Now, worth bearing in mind, these are syringe compatible. They're a standard lure fitting, so they'll go on anything that is a male lure. Okay, so that is the refill process. We've used the force fill, otherwise known as freedom fill method, and we've topped up using the dribble fill method to a weight of around 32-33 grams. And that's it. The cartridge. The section, the force fill method first, and then I'll show you the dribble mill. I'm going to show you the dribble, and then I'm going to show you the dribble fill. Obviously, not enough coffee or tea this morning. There are two different methods to stop. Oh God.